As the regular season of the Red Stripe Premier League draws to an end, the race for a top 6 position heats up, with even 10th place the Humberland having a chance of reaching the playoffs. UWI occupied a top 6 position for most of the way this season until they were booted 2 weeks ago. They are now 8th on 36 points, the same as 6th place the Harbourview, but they could still force their way back into the reckoning. They will be at home to the long-time leaders, Portmore United.
We know we have 5 games and Portmore is next on the agenda, so we just focus now on Portmore, and hopefully we can get a favourable result Sunday.
Another team in pursuit of a top 6 spot is Reno, who like UAFC and Harbourview are on 36 points. They lost to some belief when striker Craig Foster departed the club, but that has changed with the arrival of coach Vassar Reynolds. With the Costa Cup success with Rossis under his belt, Reynolds came in and they have started to believe once again.
Most definitely, I would have brought over that philosophy to the Reno setup, and 9 games would have conceded just 2 goals. So we still have some work to do in terms of the final third. But I think they would have acquired the concept quicker than even I thought, and I think that is working well for us.
Reno will be at home to second-placed Arnett Gardens, who haven't won a game in 4 outings. Vassar Reynolds is eyeing the points.
We are in it now for one purpose, and that is to get to the top 6. And whatever it takes for us to get to the top 6, we'll venture that avenue, and we just have to keep on working.
Elsewhere on the day, Tivoli Gardens will be at home to Montego Bay United. Humberland will entertain Cavalier at the Effortville Centre, and victory for Humberland will confirm the exit of Sandals South Coast from the RSPL at the end of the season. Boys Town, who have already been relegated, will take on Harbourview at the Barbican Complex. Waterhouse will play Sandals South Coast in the Monday night fixture.